on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And we're still inside the transaction section of the module, so we're going to do some light read and pick what we left off from yesterday. So this is how we would deploy our contract using the Web3.Py. We have our transaction equals favorite contract dot constructor dot build transaction. Now doing this will help us populate a lot of the fields automatically for us. Just to check things as we go, we can add a breakpoint to the code to see what the transaction object looks like after we build it. So we've done this stuff already. I showed you how the breakpoint works. I've showed you the ABI and the bytecode. This is just reading over the information that we're going to be doubling down on, letting us know exactly what we built, how we used everything inside the contract. You already saw what it looked like. Now we're just walking through the steps of how we actually implemented it, how we actually used all of the functions inside the contract. So we run the code as of right now. We would throw an error because we have to add the ABI. I showed you initially when we had the contract set up, we only had the bytecode information. You can see we come down here. Then this favorites contract equals w3.eth.contract. You can see we added the ABI now alongside of the bytecode, so it wouldn't throw an error. But you never saw it throwing an error in the first place. You saw the completed contract, so we're just going through the steps of how we built it and how we got there. So yeah, initially we didn't have the ABI parameter, so we added that, and that actually fixed our situation that we were having with throwing that error. Basically, like I said, you already saw the contract, and we're going to get back to it in a few. I'm just going to read over all the steps that we took to get there and how we actually built it. So once we get out of this introduction to transaction, I think we'll be in this module here, how to deploy a contract, and then we'll dive back into the actual contract itself, and I can walk you through it piece by piece and show you everything that we're going over as we do it in real time. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.